Okay, so we'll start with this. And what's this called?
This is a 1 1/4 inch to 1 1/2 inch rubber flex coupling.
And you can get it at the hardware store in the plumbing section?
Yes.
And it comes in like different colors.
And then you get a 1 1/2 inch ABS piece of pipe. So they come in 3-foot lengths. That goes into there. And you tighten that on with the hose clamp. It comes with the coupling. That goes, then this goes over onto your umbrella pole. It fits on. Now the umbrella pole will go nicely through the piece of pipe, all the way through as far as you want. So it actually adds stability. All the coupling is doing is holding it up and down on the pipe. So if you do get a 3-foot long piece of pipe, you can adjust it all the way down as far as you want to the height that you want. Tighten it up onto your umbrella pole. One additional piece you can get, if you want, is this 1.5 to 3 inch reducing pipe. It all fits tight, so you don't need to buy the glue and fit tight, and that gives you a nice base for your umbrella pole.